Hey everyone, hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. I've had a lot of people this year, in fact, record number of people, I would say in the range of 20 to 25 conversations from borrowers that, or folks that are looking to try to improve their lifestyle in their later years, so retirement years or approaching retirement, and saying, hey, you know, the way that we've envisioned our retirement years is not lining up exactly with our financial obligations. Are there ways that, Jason, you can help us with financing? Maybe it's pay off some debts, or maybe it's refinance to a lower interest rate, to help accomplish this goal. What's been really interesting is that only a few of them have asked me about a third option, and that is a reverse mortgage. And if you don't know what a reverse mortgage is, I'm going to just tell you a couple things about this, that there's a lot of misinformation about reverse mortgages out there. In fact, of these people that came in or talked to me over the phone, all of them, without exception, were surprised by some of the benefits and that they could gain from this, and surprised at some of the misinformation that was out there telling them other things like, oh, you might lose title to your home. And there's just a lot of misinformation about reverse mortgages. It's fading over time. These are becoming a lot more mainstream loan products, but all of them walked out of my office feeling very empowered and educated with their knowledge of reverse mortgages. So let me tell you just briefly what these are. First of all, you have to be 62 years old or older to qualify, number one. Number two, can only be used for a primary residence, okay? Number three, you have to have a large amount of equity. These are not loans that you're going to get 80% loan to value. These are going to be loans where you can get 30 to 40% loan to value, generally speaking. So you have to have a pretty low loan amount and high equity position to qualify for this. The way these work, and the great appeal of a reverse mortgage, is that the forward mortgage that you may have, even if you don't have a mortgage, but if you have a forward mortgage, that mortgage is paid off and replaced with a reverse mortgage. And the reverse mortgage, instead of like a traditional forward mortgage that you may have right now, you pay money out of pocket every month and your loan balance slowly goes down. A reverse mortgage is just the opposite. You don't pay any money. You can if you choose to, but you don't need to pay any money out of pocket, and your loan balance slowly goes up over time. Now, don't let that alarm you, because there's no free lunch in the world. The bank has to get paid back somehow. But remember too that your home value on average over time is going up, and your loan balance is going up. So your equity position might actually be increasing for the first 10, 12, even 14 years. Then it hits a point where it starts to decrease, and that loan balance, that equity, starts to shrink. So the elimination of a mortgage payment during the retirement years is so impactful for most retirees that are still making a mortgage. We're making a mortgage payment. And this allows them now to just have that additional cash flow, that additional breathing room. Again, elimination of their largest monthly obligation for most folks. So they can actually use these funds during a time in their life that can allow them to travel more, or go visit grandchildren, or be able to just simply have more peace of mind, financial peace of mind. So it can be a fantastic solution for folks in those situations. So before you dismiss this, or you may not understand it or heard some misinformation about it, I can tell you that all the folks that I met with, for those that could qualify, with few exceptions, nearly all of them wound up doing a reverse mortgage. And I've never heard one complaint from any of my clients that I've helped with this. Great tool for retirement planning, great thing to at least consider and have, even if you don't use it now, as a backup later on. Awesome loan program. So if you'd like more information about this, feel free to call me or email me, reach out. I would be happy to help you. Or maybe you're inquiring about a family member or a parent. Feel free to reach out to me, and love to talk about their situation. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.